What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Jamie? A quick demo video for you for your flagship. I got this done about 2 days ago, and I actually had to change the board out this morning because it didn't have any smooth swing and it wasn't registering any motion at all. So I had to do a board swap, and that's why I didn't get this demo to you yesterday or early this morning. But it's all done now. It's working good. You've got the etch that you requested. So you wanted the Empire logo on one side, and you've got the Sith code in the Sith text on the background, and then the Jedi symbol here with the Jedi code in Arabish. It's going to be hard to pick up in the light on this shroud. And then I did use those two symbols for in between the two windows, and then you have some writing along this switch section in both Arabish and Sith text to go along with the upper half. Got your wrap in yesterday, right? So we went ahead and wrapped your handle. Everything's good to go there. How to get to everything is you just want to unscrew the handle. I will do that now. You would ask for a clear resin chassis. You didn't really want it lit up. You just wanted the resin chassis, so that's what I gave you. Right here, it does say Solo Sabers over here in Arabish. You'll be able to see that when you get it. But you've got a 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker. You got a removable battery setup. So your spring side is over here for your battery, and then your CFX board. Easy access to your SD card. You can pop it in and out with your finger just like that. Pop it back in. Updated to the latest firmware and package. Now this does have the stock font package on it, and this has Loth Hero from Kyberphonic. I'll be taking that off before I send it. I just wanted to test with that font because I haven't got to play with it very much, and I had to do a lot of testing on this guy. So for right now, I'm just going to demo it with the Loth Hero, and then I'll show you the stock font package as well. But we'll put a battery in this guy.
Ezra, how did you know the wolves could do that? I didn't.
So when that's on, you just slide the handle right on, lock it down. Activation's over here. Sounds really good. Your auxiliary button is this small brass tactile switch in the back. It's very low profile, but it's easy to hit with your finger. Or you hold it down for blade lockup, and you'll see that in your LEDs on the flasher in your window. And we'll throw a blade in here real quick. This guy takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. And you've got, I don't know if I showed you that, but you've got the CC Sabers LEDs in there for your main PCB. Those light up just like that. So we'll put this all the way down and lock it in. You will want to use your blade retention screw, and that's this guy right here. So that's your blade retention screw. You don't want to mess with that guy. That's recessed in the saber, as you'll see when you get it, but that's holding your PCB holder. So don't mess with that guy. Now, of course, this is Ezra, so we want a green blade. Hold down Aux and twist your wrist. Now you can twist the saber through different colors, and we'll find green. Once you find it, just tap power. So now we got a green blade. You just tap your auxiliary for blast or deflex. Then again, hold it down for blade lockup. So with this music track and all the fonts that you have music tracks with, on this particular one, I'm just double tapping the power very quickly. just double tap and it turns your track right off. To change sound fonts, hold down your auxiliary until you hear this.
Sound bank selection.
Ezra Bridger.
Now you can use either button to go up or down.
Crystal focus.
Crystal focus.
Nebula.
Granny.
Revolt. Shadow. The Old Republic. The Old Republic.
When you find one you like, just hold the power down.
Now you'll see what a Sith is capable of.
Oh, this particular one has a slower ignite, and then it's a bit slower of a retract as well. Well, that showcases your NeoPixel blade, right? That's working like it should, and then that's how you cycle through all of your fonts, really.
Sound bank selection.
The Old Republic.
Youngling.
This is General Kenobi.
Night.
Audio player.
SD card system menu. Exit menu.
Ezra Bridger.
Now we're back to the beginning, right?
Is that really Ezra?
Most of the time.
This is a sound font that I really enjoy. I like playing with it. I think Jesse did an amazing job on it. And then it reminds me of the Spectre 6s that are shipping out right now. But anyway, we'll take the blade out. Come over here and just unscrew your handle to take the battery out. It's super easy. CFX does have a deep sleep mode. I personally like to take the batteries out of my sabers when I'm not using them. So you come over here from the positive side and you can pop it out with your finger just like that. Battery will not be coming with this guy because I have to ship it overseas to you, and I don't ship lithium batteries overseas, but I think we talked about that already. But anyway, that is your saber. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, this guy will go out in the mail to you tomorrow morning. All right, thanks.